I'm Jonathan Schofield. I'm an associate professor in mechanical and aerospace engineering in the College of Engineering. I have multiple active projects that are going on in the lab right now, and usually they're focused on helping individuals that are missing an upper limb use their prostheses the best, so taking full advantage of their capabilities that they are able to achieve. We're funded through the National Science Foundation. We have a few grants through them, as well as we're funded through the Department of Defense's congressionally directed medical research program. So we work with two groups of people. The first is with adults that are missing a limb that acquired that limb loss later in life. And what we're finding with these individuals is when we pair ourselves with the School of Medicine here at UC Davis, we can perform nerve reconstruction surgeries so that when they use their prostheses, they can control it by thinking about moving their missing hand. And in fact, we can actually let them feel sensations from their prostheses as though it's their missing hand. And so when you put that all together, it reconnects those brain circuits that allow the individual to no longer feel like they have to operate a disconnected machine, but they're actually operating a truly connected, integrated piece of their body. The second group of individuals we work with is children that are born missing a limb. What we've been finding with these children is that when you ask them to move the hand that they were never born with, they still retain a tremendous capacity to do that. And so what we're using is machine learning and advanced sensors, and we're able to actually allow prosthetic devices to recognize what they're trying to do with that hand they've never had and achieve that for them. So we're very excited because on both fronts, we're now focusing on how do we remove the barriers and make these more accessible techniques and technologies. Federal funding is the core of everything we do in the laboratory, or most things that we do in the laboratory. So operationally, it means it's our ability to collect data, to service our equipment, to pay salaries. But functionally, in the world of prosthetics, what that means is that it's our ability to offer appropriate devices, continue to advance the technologies, the clinical interventions, and the standard of care for these individuals that depend on these devices. And quite frankly, if you think about it that way, what that means is it's fundamental to the things that are possible for these individuals, as well as the quality of life for many of them.